Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you share your TikTok showcase? Now, it's going to be a really quick process, so just bear with me on this one. On your TikTok account itself, where you're processed already on the showcase here, the first and foremost that you need to do is actually go to this prompt right here, and you'll be seeing these promote, and that'll be it. That's a good way to actually showcase, and or especially if you're um, showcasing a product. In this case, mine is a, product with art, so it's an art product. So that's how you showcase your stuff, and also connect it to your TikTok shop itself, where people could buy it, and you can link and unlink your TikTok shop um, all at the same time, especially with payments. So that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Have a nice day.